In this video, I'm going to show you how you can host your websites for free. You can host any type of website on here, and you can either buy a domain or you can use the supply domains. So go to this site. It's called buythehost.com/free-hosting. Okay, and then click here to sign up. Okay, so here you put in your username. You choose any username you want. Keep in mind that this will also be available for a website. So your username dot and then the buythehost.com. So here I'm just going to put the money machine as my username. Okay, here you put in whatever password you want to use. Email address here. Okay, and then a site category. So if it's a personal, business, hobby, forum, adult, dating, or software download. Okay, let's just say it's going to be business. Site language. Now you need to put in the security code that it presents here. And then click register. Okay, so now it has sent an activation email to my email address. So I need to go there and activate my account. Okay, so here's the email. You just click on the link. Okay, then we need to key this in. Okay, now we're going to get another email with our account details, and then we can log in. Okay, so here's the email that came. So it shows me this is my username for my panel and my password for my panel, which I selected, and then the URL. Okay, so themoneymachine.buythehost33.com or www.themoneymachine.buythehost33.com. Okay, and then my FTP server name so that I can upload files to it, my FTP login, and my FTP password. Okay, and then my MySQL databases I can create in my cPanel, and then we have my SQL username and password. Okay, and then down here, this is how we log in to the panel. Okay, so I'll take my username here, click here, and now I can paste my username in there, enter my password, log in. Okay, and now I'm into my panel. So you can see here, this is free hosting. I have one FTP account, 50 subdomains, 50 add-on domains, 50 park domains, 50 MySQL databases. This is how much web space I got. So I got plenty of web space, and you get lots of bandwidth as well. 204 gig, about 200 gig, actually 200 gig. Okay, and then in here, this is where you can do the work. So add-on domains. If you want to register a domain at GoDaddy, you can go and register it and then put the name in here and then go back to GoDaddy. Actually, you got to go to GoDaddy first, and you got to put the name servers in over there that you get down here. After you've done that, you can put the domain up here, and your domain from GoDaddy or Namecheap or wherever you bought it or registered it is going to work on this hosting account. Okay, and then you can also use subdomains. This is where you can put in any domain name you want. So say we want to do classic cars. And then over on this side, we can pick which domain we want to use, and we can use any of these for free without registering anything if we want. So talkforfun.net, so I'd have classic-cars.talkforfun.net if I add this domain. Okay, and here it is. So I've set that up, and I can now go upload my files up to there, or use the built-in site builder. Okay, and then I can use the site builder to build my site from there. Okay, and then it also has, as you saw, SQL databases up to 50. So you can use SQL databases. You can install WordPress on here. or any other scripts. Now keep in mind that it says it has a iVista Easy Script installation, but it's disabled. So any scripts that you want to install need to be installed manually, which isn't that big of a deal usually. They usually have a built-in installer anyway. Okay, now also this is ad-free hosting. There's no ads on it, so any site you put up will not have any ads on it. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can set up a hosting account for free and host your domain names for free.